Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wind turbine kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to generate clean energy for your home or business, offering independence from traditional power grids and a significant reduction in your carbon footprint. But with so many different kits available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will help you navigate the options and find the perfect wind turbine generator kit to meet your specific needs and budget, covering everything from capacity and rotor design to installation and maintenance. Number 5. 4M Wind Turbine Kit. Ever wondered how wind power works? Now you can build your own wind turbine and find out. It's a fun and educational experience. This kit lets you build a working wind turbine that converts wind energy into electricity. Watch it capture the wind's energy and light up. It's a great way to learn about renewable energy technology in a fun, hands-on way. You'll understand how this vital technology works. Once it's built, its blades span an impressive 13.3 inches. You'll be amazed by its size and power. You will need an empty 2-liter soda bottle and a small Phillips head screwdriver to complete this project. These are not included in the kit. This kit is perfect for ages 8 and up. It's a great way to spark an interest in science and engineering. What we like. It's a great option for teaching kids about renewable energy. If you are looking for a fun and affordable way to introduce your children to the concept of wind power, you should consider this. It's perfect for educational purposes and family activities. What people say. Good kit for science projects and renewable energy education. This was such a user-friendly and easy experiment kit. My 7-year-old was really engaged. The kid didn't put the box down. He thought it was the best thing. He passed over the video games and zeroed in on this present, and it was the best present in the world. Getting feedback from Dad on later install, he said it was fun to put together, easy for the 9-year-old boy to figure out, but challenging enough for fun, and it was super fast when the water was added. Number 4. Thames and Kosmos Wind Power version 4.0. It's a fantastic STEM kit that lets you build a real working wind turbine. Learn about renewable energy and how it powers our world. This impressive turbine stands 3 feet tall. It's designed for durability and efficiency with its single-piece blade construction. It generates electricity to power a small model car. It's a great way to understand how wind energy works. See it in action. Use the electricity generated to charge a battery and power your model car. It features a new weatherproof battery box, so it can stay outside. No need to worry about the elements. Ground stakes are included to keep it secure and stable, even in windy conditions. Enjoy hours of outdoor fun and learning. This kit was a 2021 finalist for the Toy Association's Outdoor Toy of the Year award. It's a winner for both fun and education. What we like. It stands out for its robust build and ability to withstand outdoor conditions. If you need a reliable and durable wind turbine for experiments or educational projects, this is a great choice. Its weatherproof design ensures it can handle various weather conditions. What people say. Fun little windmill that comes with great detail and instructions on how wind energy works. Assemble is easy for an 11 years old. Information about wind and wind energy included in the manual booklet is great. Another wonderful product from Thames and Kosmos. The windmill can charge a AA battery to be used in something else, or you can turn the base into a car. Perfect for my son to see the applications of his wind energy. It came with a great book that goes into detail about the science behind wind energy and real applications of it. Number 3. DIY Wind Turbine Kit. This innovative kit lets you build your own wind-powered light display. It's a fun project for the whole family. It's simple to put together, even for beginners. Watch it come to life with your kids and enjoy the process. It harnesses the power of the wind to illuminate a 10-meter LED light strip. No batteries or external power needed. The brighter the lights, the stronger the wind. It's a dynamic and captivating display. It's built to last with durable, weather-resistant materials. Enjoy it rain or shine, year after year. Mounted on railings, fences, or any open area using the included flange and screws. Easy installation for a stunning effect. It runs silently, so you can enjoy the beautiful lights without any noise pollution. The tail vane ensures it captures wind from any direction, maximizing its efficiency. For best results, install it in an open area away from obstructions like buildings or walls. What we like. This is perfect for adding a unique and dynamic touch to your outdoor space. If you are looking for a fun and visually appealing way to harness wind power, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want to add a touch of whimsy and functionality to their backyard. What people say. The package contains more than we expected. Ours included a test bulb and a temporary PVC mount that was sturdy enough to stand up the windmill and blow a DeWalt shop fan on it for a successful test. Easy to assemble. Great instructions, perfect fit, even a spare nut, bolt, and blade. Bonus screwdriver and wrench included in ours. Spinning very smoothly even in the breeze, and stay strong in high wind. Pretty LED light strips light up at night. This little unit is really very good for teaching about wind energy. 3-phase with rectifier to change it to DC voltage, it produces enough to charge some small batteries. It is sturdy enough for normal wind. Number 2. 800W 6-blade wind generator. This innovative wind turbine is designed for easy installation and maintenance, making it perfect for various applications. Its 6 blades and aerodynamic design ensure efficient energy capture. The humanized design of its 6 blades simplifies installation, maintenance, and any necessary repairs. It's built for convenience and longevity. It's ideal for charging boats, powering terraces, cabins, or even mobile homes. Take advantage of clean, renewable energy wherever you are. Its 6 blades and optimized aerodynamic design work together to significantly increase annual power generation. Get the most out of the wind's energy. It features a permanent magnet rotor alternator and a specially designed stator to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. Experience reliable performance. The AC permanent magnet generator ensures a perfect match between the wind turbine and generator, resulting in superior reliability and performance. It's built to last. It boasts a slow startup speed, high wind energy utilization, an attractive design, and minimal vibration for quiet operation. Enjoy clean energy without the noise. What we like. It's designed for serious power generation and reliable performance. If you need a powerful and efficient wind turbine for charging boats, cabins, or mobile homes, this is the one for you. Its high power output and robust design make it suitable for various applications. What people say. Antes tenía un generator eólico de 400W y 3 aspas, me funcionaba excelente y cambié a 800W de 8 aspas y ahora es muy silencioso. Funciona muy bien pero solo en lugares donde hay buenos vientos. My other wind turbine 400 watt rated 50 feet away same height puts out 250 watts in same wind. Number 1. 800W Wind Turbine Kit. It boasts a slow startup speed and high wind energy utilization rate, perfect for various applications. With accurately injection-molded blades and an optimized aerodynamic design, it offers great resistance to water and sand. It's designed for easy installation, maintenance, and repair. Its lightweight, compact size makes it incredibly practical. This environmentally friendly turbine increases annual power generation and is both beautiful and durable. Everything you need is included: motor, blades, controller, blade cover, spacer, and tools. You can start using it right away. It's ideal for charging boats, terraces, cabins, or mobile homes, providing a reliable power source wherever you need it. What we like. It comes with all the necessary components for easy setup and use. If you value convenience and a hassle-free installation process, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and easy-to-install wind turbine for various applications. What people say. The controller worked good on testing several times on 24V and 12V batteries. The 3 red leads dropping down from the turbine mounting flange are tinned copper with a total conductor diameter of about 1.8 mm and relatively thin insulation. The mating mounting flange, shown in the hardware picture with a bad case of styrofoam measles, has an ID of 28.8 mm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.